Hello friends, if you like my video, then please subscribe, share and comment below the video. Today I am sharing chemistry lesson plan 3rd related to the BA 3rd semester lesson plan file. Chapter is matter in our surrounding. In previous two videos, we already discussed lesson plan 1 and lesson plan 2. If you are new to my channel, then go to that first. Today I am sharing the lesson plan third related to matter in our surrounding. Here you write down the student teacher name, class, school topic, date, day duration and period. General objective as per previous lesson plan 1. So you can write down whole or as write this line. Now a specific objective. So today we are discussing about the latent heat, sublimation and evaporation, the difference between their terms. They will be able to give explanation about that phenomena. Now teaching aids, that is blackboard, chart, chalk, duster, etc. Teaching method, that is explanation method. Previous knowledge, students have knowledge about the different states of matter and their interconversion. Now introductory questions are, what do you mean by boiling processes or vaporization? We asked to the students. The students are replying as per their previous knowledge that the process in which liquid substance changes into a gas rapidly on heating. What do you mean by fusion or melting? So the process in which solid substance changes into liquid on heating is called melting, that is fusion. Then what do you understand by latent heat? Students give no response, so that is problematic question. Now a statement of aim for today's class is, we learn about the latent heat, sublimation and evaporation process. Now presentation, teaching point, student teacher activity and student activity. You can take the screenshot and write as it is in your lesson plan diary. That first we discuss about the latent heat, then types of latent heat. That is, first type is latent heat of vaporization, then latent heat of fusion, then sublimation. Here I am showing the chart through which example is solid carbon dioxide sublimes to for carbon dioxide gas. From solid to directly gas conversion is sublimation. As already written, solid, liquid, gas, from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, gas to solid. All the processes are written over the arrow. Now evaporation, then vapors, then examples. देन फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ इवेपरेशन, क्या क्या फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट करते हैं इवेपरेशन के प्रोसेस को, ये भी हमने एक चार्ट के थ्रू यहाँ पर बताया है. Now cooling effect. At last I discussed the cooling effect related to this chapter. Now recapitulation question, that is, what is latent heat, what are its types, explain the cooling effect, factors affecting evaporation and brief. Now you can give the classwork to them. Write true false. Air coolers in summer showing cooling effect. You can write down true or false. Changing of solid directly into vapors on heating is called sublimation. That is true or false. Latent heat is of three types. Heat is measured in joules. You can give the homework. Write the importance of evaporation and solve the numericals related to latent heat. Now at last the blackboard work. Class 9th, matter in our surrounding, date, surrounding. With the blackboard, here I am showing matter, solid, liquid, gas, plasma or Bose-Einstein condensate. Thank you and have a nice day.